Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use auto crop in Wondershare UniConverter. All you have to do now, you can download and install this UniConverter. You can visit Wondershare official website and search for UniConverter and install this app on your system. In order to start, you can click more tools and click video. Under video, you can scroll down and try to find auto crop. So here automatically resize videos for different social platforms. So you can click to add file. And here, for example, now you can adjust the frame like aspect ratio for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or X, or you can custom by yourself. So here there is a full screen mode, and this is the capture mode. And also, if you think you want to edit another video, you can click to replace the file. And here, just click to analyze before you export your video. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.